What's up guys, the PE guy here. Today we are going to learn how to make a Chinese jump rope. But first we need the supplies in order to make it. We're in the craft section right now and we're looking for elastic. Come with me and we're going to find some elastic. I think this is it. All right, so we're gonna get 2 of these. It is 3 yards, so we're gonna get 2 of these to make it about a total of 6 yards. All right, and it looks like this. We are at the gym, and I am with Mrs. Donahue, and we are going to make a Chinese jump rope. This is what a Chinese jump rope looks like. It's a circle, and it's got that elastic and stretch. So yeah, let's go ahead and can you teach us how to make it?
Absolutely. So you just want to make sure that we're sticking with some parameters so that everything's the same size. So first step is we're going to take this elastic out of the packaging. So we have it here. We're just going to pull it out. And it is just one long piece of elastic. And it is almost the exact same size as our Chinese jump rope. We have this here. We're just going to come around. So we made this circle, pull both of these edges through, and we're going to pull really, really tight. Okay, so that's nice and tight, but we can also make a second one. So we are going to do the same thing. Make a circle, push this back behind like a bunny in a burrow, and then come through for our second knot.
Wow, that was pretty easy. All right, well, thank you so much for teaching us how to do it. All right, if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe. You are amazing. Let's get fit.